Welcome, and welcome back to all that the wind has brought here, to another episode of Roots of Pacha, where this time we're actually upgrading the barn. I know we didn't before, we didn't have enough flint, my bad. We're upgrading the barn today, and hopefully we might get some rice and some cephalopods, not jellyfish, but actual cephalopods, because I am dumb. But it's fine. Everything's fine. Jellyfish are not squids. We also need to go to the jungle. I almost forgot. Thankfully, the game reminds us. But yeah. Yeah, I'm dumb. I'm aware that I am dumb. But I am dumb. We're gonna put these chilies away. Just for the moment. And in the meantime, we're also going to put all these gemstones away because there's a lot of them. We have enough sapphires, so we'll grab out some gold and some silver, and we'll deal with that today. We also are going to need some veggies. Let's grab some eggs and some chilies. And the rest of this can all be chilies. And we have 3 chilies left. That is okay. Let's grab out 6 bits of vinegar. Sure. Grab out 6 bits of this vinegar. That's fine. Put all that away. We will grab out the garbanzo meat. We'll put that in there for right now. And we need the mead. And we didn't get any beer today, but that's okay. And the quinoa, which we will turn into ferment because we can. So quinoa can go in there. We'll need to grab the garbanzo meat. We'll put the vinegar away. And then we'll run down to our house. It is a Monday, so we should be able to give gifts out again, which is just fantastic. Let's put the onions in the fridge where they belong. We'll sell the jellyfish, that's fine. So the jellyfish and the pickles. The horn's gonna go up here. Actually, have we tried horns with her yet? She likes horns. So I wanted to try dates on her. I don't have any sunflowers at the moment for gel rod. That's okay. Era will take a chili. Sometimes I miss traveling with my dad, but I have no interest in trading. That's fair. We'll dance with you. Fantastic. Gel rod. You know what? I have extra dates. Thank you for this. Jin asked me to talk to Nock about joining the Hunters. It's too bad Nock and I can't switch dads. It's not a surprise. Fatsy and I won the last race. But you didn't. Okay. Let him be delusional. He's a little delusional. Right, I needed to sell the garbanzo meat as well. So let's do that. Then we'll go and sing to the animals. And apparently we'll gather up some cabbage. Because we need to. I'd like to get a little more centered here. Excellent. No poop. No poop. I really should probably take care of the sick animals that we have. And no poop. Okay. That's fine. Now, our inventory is not too badly crowded. We're gonna go and deal with Kroll, getting the barn going before I forget, and then we'll go and deal with the shed, and then lastly, we will deal with the field. But first things first. Hello, Kroll. It's hard to believe, but I didn't want to be a builder as a kid. Interesting. I need the rest of the flint, and I need 5 more fiber. And I'm just dumb. It's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm just a little dumb. I need some more fiber. Put that fiber in. I'll get stuck on the vinegar picklers. And then Kroll can upgrade our barn. Yes, do that. Thank you. And I guess I'll be right back once we're done with this. Okay, I'm back I figured before we go and deal with the shed, we should definitely go to the jungle and talk to Grandpa and get our hands on this field, I hope, and some more seeds. Seeds are important for us right now. I came back here to listen to what the soil had to say. I scratched its surface, and it looks like it retains moisture and has the right temperature for crops to grow year-round. I don't think we'll get the same qualities we can in our fields, but we'll be able to eat eggplants in winter and cabbage in the summer. Awesome. The field in the jungle is now available for planting. Because of its climate, plants can be grown at any time of year. Okay. Igork now has all seeds you've discovered available to exchange. The soil in the jungle is different from that in the village, so fertilizers won't work there. Okay. Zelk reminds me of me when I was young, just with more hair. Fair. So, what do we need for our field? More corn. And more pumpkins. And I think those were the big ones that I needed more of. Oh, more cassava. More cassava. Okay. So we'll come here and we'll get to planting after we've done our other chores for the day. But let's go back to our land. And let's double check our forest hasn't grown anything. It has not. Let's dump off some juice that I went and picked up. Pick up the avocados because we can. And let's grab, I don't know, 1, the dates, and 2, 92 strawberry juice because why not? And I'll do this and I'll be right back. Okay, and we are back, and it is a little on the late side of things. I do want to see where Vuok is at. He's up in the community tent. Now, it's only 8:30. He might not be in bed yet. And if I can meet up with him and get rid of these gemstones that I have in my pocket, that would be awesome. Here's the gold tree in fall toe ring. Wear it to unlock all of its power. Excellent. Strength is not the absence of weakness. It's the desire to overcome obstacles. This is true. Let's dance real quick. Okay. Now, sapphire and silver, quietude. Let's do it. Silver bracelet of quietude. A powerful accessory. I'll ask Pacha to bless this with her power. It should be ready in a few days. Awesome. Here, have this. Alright. My hair is not a fan of this weather. That's fair, I guess. Alright, here. Maybe Era would like to learn stories from Teddy. She used to like that sort of thing. That's fair. And I'm sorry for not sticking around longer, but I need to run into the woods. It's 9 o'clock at night. We haven't checked for any ibex or boars today. And then I suppose we can go and plant the jungle. You know, I don't have any copper, but here. Thanks. Caves are special places. I always feel a sense of awe when I visit them. That's fair. I'll admit, I didn't get any cephalopods today, or any rice. But hey, we had the jungle to go and visit, right? And our field is getting a little big for proper management. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little excessive. We just opened up another field as well that we really don't need. I don't see anything new, but I could be losing my mind here. One of these could be brown. That's black. That's chocolate. That's camouflage. That is definitely gray. Yeah, okay. Nothing useful to us here. That's okay. This is all just fine. Not a concern. Let's go see about getting the jungle planted and getting some of those pineapples and teff down. And millet down. Because we missed out on those last season. And wouldn't it be wonderful if we didn't need to worry about it anymore? So, yes, it's 11 o'clock at night, but let's get this. Whoop, that's an axe. I knew that. Okay. And looking at the torch, you need to till just like that. And that's all planted there. And I can't see anything. That's fine. You know what? That'll do for now. Let us get out of our seed pack here our 64 pineapples, sure. And that's 5, that's 6. Let's get the millet and the pineapples down. So, pineapples. Okay, that'll do for right now. Yeah, that's a bunch of pineapples in the ground. We'll get more down there later. But for now, we got a bunch of pineapples in the ground. That's what counts. So we're doing well. Coming on home, we'll grab our ibex. And we'll run for the hills and then off to bed. And that'll be great. Let's get some sleep. Yes, we're going to sleep for the day. It's going to bring us up to 703,000 clan prosperity, to which we contributed a very measly 1,986. But that's okay. We will get some more going. It's not a big deal. Let's give her a save. It's going to bring us up to 56,500. And we will awaken to a brand new day. And tomorrow is actually Took's birthday. Not that we need to concern ourselves with him as much, since he already adores us. But we are getting there on the animal affection. We do have a number of animals that are sick, though. We have 2 cases of fleas and 2 cases of upset stomachs. But none of those are our rare animals that we're worried about, nor are they our babies that we're also worried about. So that is good. That is excellent for us. But all of these things are going to have to wait for the saving of the game and the ending of the day. We have come to the end of the episode. If you guys like what you see, please feel free to hit that thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, consider subscribing. But until next time, may the wind bring you on another journey. And have a good night.